see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes. We're retired, it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Retired Time to Cruise.
We're busy checking out excursion options at the ports in our DIY World Cruise.
Today we're talking about sailing into Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
We are
Darren
and Susan and are excited to share our vacation plans with you, and would also like to invite you to join us on the ships or in the ports, or simply by watching and commenting on our videos.
We're still pretty new to YouTube, so please like, subscribe, and share these videos to help us grow the channel and improve our content.
Once again, today we're talking about sailing into the sunny destination of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
Well, we hope it will be sunny, but October is the rainy season,
Ooh.
so beach lounging might be out.
Oh well. We arrive at noon on October 20th and leave at 9 p.m.
We'll help you choose the best tours to make the most of your stop.
You're in the right place to explore some amazing options together.
Puerto Vallarta is one of Mexico's most popular cruise ship destinations, known for its beautiful beaches, rich culture, and exciting activities.
Whether you're here for relaxation or adventure, there's something for everyone.
There are 15 excursions offered by NCL.
They include things like tequila,
Walking tours,
tequila,
bus tours,
tequila,
hiking.
tequila,
I'm beginning to sense a trend here. Horse riding,
zip lining,
and dolphins,
and tequila.
and more tequila. There's so much more to Puerto Vallarta than tequila. You'd never know it when you're reading the description of all the tours, though.
First up, let's talk about the Malecon,
In Puerto Vallarta, this is a mile-long esplanade.
or waterfront walkway.
Much easier to say waterfront walkaway.
According to Wikipedia, the Malecon has restaurants, clothing and jewelry stores, and craft vendors.
Some features include Los Arcos, the Malecon Lighthouse, and a collection of no fewer than 18 sculptures. And
Wow.
We've walked the walkway and there's lots to look
We
at.
have. You can also access several public beaches from the Malecon, including Playa de los Motros.
At this famous beach, you can swim, sunbathe, play beach volleyball, and try a variety of water sports.
Sounds like fun.
It does sound like lots of fun. I hope it's not raining. If you want to do more than sunbathe,
Explore the culture.
Puerto Vallarta is home to beautiful architecture and vibrant art scenes.
Consider taking a walking tour through the Old Town, where you can visit the iconic Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe and browse local markets.
Many tours include stops at art galleries and artisan shops where you can support local artists while picking up some very unique souvenirs.
For a magical experience, check out the Morphle Butterfly Farm Tour, where you get to see hundreds of stunning butterflies, including the famous Morphle, known for its vibrant blue wings.
This tour offers a unique insight into the butterfly's life cycle and ecosystem, making it both educational and a beautiful experience.
I think there's more than just the Morphle butterfly farms. Butterflies seem to be a big thing in Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah, if I remember right, there is a whole bunch of other butterflies in there than just the blue ones. Feeling adventurous? Puerto Vallarta has plenty to offer, from zip-lining through the jungle canopy to snorkeling in stunning coves.
There's no shortage of adrenaline-pumping activities.
For a thrilling day, consider a zip-line adventure.
These tours typically include multiple lines through lush rainforest, providing breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences.
Let's not forget about food. I mean, after all,
Cruisers and
And
food.
after eating our way all the way down from Seattle,
Puerto Vallarta is a culinary paradise.
why not indulge in food, right?
Some tours include cooking classes where you can learn to make traditional Mexican food with a local chef.
For a different, fun, and unique way to explore Puerto Vallarta, why not try an electric bike and taco tour?
Really? Electric bikes and tacos? Combining the exercise and food, you'll cruise around the city discovering hidden gems while sampling some of the best tacos.
Good pun, cruising around Puerto Vallarta. This combination of adventure and food is perfect for those looking to get a taste of the local life.
For a unique experience, consider the pirate ship dinner and show.
Pirates! Arr. Set sail on a beautifully designed ship where you'll enjoy a delicious dinner while watching an entertaining pirate performance.
This fun-filled evening is perfect for families and couples alike, and a great way to enjoy the sunset over the ocean.
We sure had fun when we did that tour.
Yeah, the pirate show is fun. And there's walking of planks.
Yes, walking the planks. Soaking up the sun, culture-seeking adventure, indulging in food.
Puerto Vallarta has something for everyone.
Be sure to check out our links for the best tours in the description.
As our visit to Puerto Vallarta draws to a close, we can start to prepare ourselves for another iconic Mexican port.
On October 21st, we'll be visiting Manzanillo for a taste of a different aspect of Mexico.
As always, we hope you found this video interesting and informative.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Retired Time to Cruise.
Here are a few other excursion videos to watch while you wait to learn about Manzanillo.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
See you again soon.
Adios.
Bye.
It's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTube.